Hey guys, I'm Shruti. Welcome to my studio Color Dreams. Art has always been a passion to me since my childhood, and few years back we decided to take this passion ahead and create this brand called Color Dreams. Color Dreams is basically a home decor brand where most of our products are handcrafted and hand painted. So to know more about our brand, please do visit our website and follow us on Instagram. Guys, art takes courage. So don't let yourself down and follow the things what I'm gonna tell you ahead in this video. We are absolutely glad to be a part of this activity conducted by worldartcommunity.com. So guys, don't hold yourself back. This painting video will definitely enhance your painting skill. So let's get started. So I'm going to use this stencil to make eyeballs and make expressions out of it. So you can use any shape, any size. So just by placing the eyeball, you can actually see the whole expression changes. It's all about placement of the eyeball and of course the eyebrows. So this eye shows how excited someone is. So now we will create an angry look. So as you can see, I have not completed the whole circle. I'll keep this area open for the eyebrows. Now with the help of the scale, give a nice angle to the eyebrows and make it look angry. These are the simple techniques which you can have it while creating any of the characters, just not human faces, but yeah, of course even animals. So these are the angry eyebrows, and to place the eyeball, I will not place the eyeball right in the between, but I will just give a nice half circle which will be connected to the eyebrows, just like this. So this is an angry eyebrow. This is excited eyebrow. Now, a very simple thing. So we have to show the pitty eyes. So how to show the pitty eyes? Here we will go with a bigger eyeball. Which is in the upward direction, and the eyebrows will be mostly like a half moon kind. So these are the eyebrows. And this expression is a spitty expression. The most common smile is, as you all know, this is the most common smile. Now this smile is more like a laughter. It goes sideways to the face. Now creating a random shape for the lip area shows that you are speaking something or you are angry. This is basically mum, that okay, I don't want to speak about it, so it's just a mum face. So this is a pencil work. For your better understanding, I've made this prior thing. So as you can see, there are different kind of eye expression and the lip expression. So we can make a face out of it. So I will teach you how to make a face out of this. So if you don't have a stencil at your home, just like what I'm using right now, you can make use of any of the caps available to you right now. So I'm gonna use the biggest of the cap to make a big face, combining all of these expressions, whatever expression you feel like you want to make, you want to create for someone. So here we have got a nice round circle. So depending upon you need a boy or a girl, right now I'm just going to show you a boy who's absolutely excited. With the simple lines, this is a hairline which goes like this. And as you can see, this circle line, just above that, you just have to go random with the hair. Just move your pencil a little bit. Don't forget to make ears. Here our hair is ready. So now, with the help of the stencil, I'm going to make exciting eyes. So you can take any of these, like if you want to have a bold eye, the bold expression, you can go with the bigger circles. If you want to have a normal eyes, you go with the smaller ones. So I'm gonna make a stuck eye, which is slightly gonna overlap each other. This is the overlapping area. Now the eyeball. For exciting eyeballs, either it can be on the right side, on the left side. It's up to you totally. I'm gonna make it to the left side, as the boy is looking something at the left side and he's really excited about it. So now as you can see, the boy is looking at the left side. And to create more of his expression, we are going to put his eyebrows a little high. Just create a half moon kind of thing. Just go freehand first thing. No need to have any specific shape or something, just a half moon. For the nose, we will just create a small triangle. And of course, he's really excited, and you can pick your smiles. In this, you can actually see there are so many smiles and so many expressions with the mouth. You can pick any of these. As he's excited, I will pick this one. So I'm just gonna go freehand. So here, your face is ready. So white is for eyes, black is for eyeball, hair and eyebrows, and of course outlining. We have got the skin color, we have got pink for the mouth. So I will start using the skin tone first, as it will cover the maximum area. Don't forget to paint the ears. Yeah. So now we are done with our skin tone. As you can see, it's partly dried at this area. So now I will take white for the eyeball. We are done with white as well. Now we'll go with pink. So now you can wait for like 5 minutes so that rest of the colors are dried, and then finally we can use black color. Now the filling is done. Now we will go with the outlining. You have to be very slow when you are doing the outlining work. So here our face is ready. So now I have made few faces. So now where we can use these kind of facial expression is, we can make a bookmark, we can make small tags. So I've created this bookmark where the girl is really sad. This is a small tag where the boy is happy, and you can mention anything, thank you note or anything.